Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to source for deep dives into the best products on the market. Today, we're taking a closer look at what is widely considered the best leather cleaner and conditioner care set you can buy. The Leather Honey Complete Leather Care Kit. Let's dive in. Right out of the box, this set includes two essential components: an 8-ounce bottle of Leather Honey leather conditioner and an 8-ounce bottle of their powerful leather cleaner concentrate. Together, they're designed to clean, restore, and protect all types of leather, excluding suede, and they've earned a reputation for doing it better than the competition. Starting with the cleaner. This is a concentrated formula, which means a little goes a long way. The 8-ounce bottle dilutes to make 32 ounces of cleaning solution. It's non-toxic, gentle, and incredibly effective. Whether you're cleaning your leather car seats, furniture, handbags, or boots, this formula cuts through dirt, oil, and grime with ease. Despite being tough on stains, it's pH balanced and completely safe for exotic leathers, faux leather, and vinyl, making it an extremely versatile option. Now, once your leather is clean, the real magic happens with the conditioner. Leather Honey's conditioner has been around since 1968, and it's built a cult following for a reason. This stuff goes deep. It penetrates into the pores of the leather to moisturize, soften, and rejuvenate even the oldest, driest items. It works on all leather colors, from black to white to bold reds and yellows. And the finish? Smooth, non-sticky, and completely odorless. It also doubles as a powerful protectant. The conditioner creates a water-repellent barrier that shields leather from moisture, snow, and rain, and it helps prevent future cracking or fading. What sets it apart is longevity. One application lasts at least 6 months, which is far longer than most other products on the market. Another standout feature is that it's safe: no silicone, no solvents, no animal products. If you've got pets or kids around, you'll appreciate that it's free from harsh chemicals and even PFAS. It's proudly made in the USA and has been trusted by leather experts, auto detailers, and luxury furniture retailers for decades. And if you're wondering about ease of use, it couldn't be simpler. Just apply the cleaner with a lint-free cloth, no need to scrub. After it dries, follow up with the conditioner, allow it to absorb, and then wipe away any excess. Your leather is now protected, restored, and looking better than ever. To wrap it up, the Leather Honey Complete Leather Care Kit delivers on its promise. Whether you're restoring an old leather jacket, protecting your car's interior, or maintaining your favorite leather accessories, this kit gives you professional-grade results with minimal effort. That's all for this review. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what leather product you'd like us to test next. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we give you the real deal on the products you use every day.